Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. February 27, 2020 was Thursday. What day will be there on February 27, 2021? Now, in general, for same date next year, next day comes. That means if February 27, 2020 was Thursday, then February 27, 2021 should come as Friday. Should be. But since 2020 is leap year and leap day is 29th of February. Since 2020 is leap year and leap day is 29th of February, then this day is pushed forward. Then the day on next year, same date, is pushed forward by one day. So February 27, 2021 should be Saturday. So answer is option D.